Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best four-wheeler gas is probably one of the most essential components for any off-road enthusiast, and finding the right one can significantly impact your riding experience. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of four-wheeler gas, exploring the different types, their pros and cons, and helping you make an informed decision for your specific needs. Get ready to fuel your adventures with the perfect gas. Number 5. VideoPUP ATV Gas Fuel Tank Replacement. This gas fuel tank is made of high-quality, durable plastic. It's designed to be very practical for your ATV. You can rely on it for long-lasting performance. Before you install it, make sure the bolt-to-bolt distance is 250 mm, and the bottom width is 165 mm. Please check the size picture to ensure it fits your ATV. This fuel tank is a replacement for most 4-stroke ATVs, including 50 cubic centimeters, 70 cubic centimeters, 90 cubic centimeters, 110 cubic centimeters, and 125 cubic centimeters models. It's compatible with many Chinese brands like Taotao and Sunl. Installing this fuel tank is straightforward. It's designed for easy installation on most 50 cubic centimeters to 125 cubic centimeters ATVs. You'll have it up and running in no time. The tank features a white plastic tube at the bottom for easy hose connection. This thoughtful design makes it simple to connect and get back on the road. What we like. This fuel tank is made of high-quality, durable plastic, ensuring longevity and reliability. It's compatible with a wide range of Chinese ATVs, making it a versatile choice. If you're looking for a direct replacement that's easy to install and built to last, you should consider this one. What people say. Works great, arrived early, even came with a new cap. Fit good. Fit perfect, would recommend this one. Works fine. And it fixed my ATV. Well worth it. Number 4. FVRITO Gas Tank Cap for ATV Quad. This is the FVRITO Gas Tank Cap, designed for various ATV models. It's a reliable replacement part to keep your ATV running smoothly. It fits 50 cubic centimeters to 125 cubic centimeters ATVs, including brands like Rokita, Taotao, and Coolster. This cap is also compatible with many other Chinese ATV brands. Specifically, it fits models like Baja WD50, Taotao ATA series, and Coolster models. Please check the list to see if it fits your specific ATV model. Made of durable ABS plastic, this cap provides a good seal. You don't have to worry about oil leakage from the fuel tank. The cap has an inside diameter of 40 mm. It's 59 mm long and wide, and 21 mm high. Make sure it matches your ATV specifications. The package includes one gas tank cap and one vent breather tube. This is everything you need for a quick and easy installation. What we like. This gas fuel tank cap is made of ABS plastic, ensuring a good seal and preventing leaks. It fits a vast array of ATV models, increasing its usability. If you have a compatible ATV and want to ensure a secure and reliable fuel system, this is a great choice. What people say. Work great. Looks original and functions the same. None are of great quality, but for the price, what do you expect? It works as it should. Seems to work fine. Number 3. YOXUFA ATV Metal Gas Fuel Tank Cap. This metal gas fuel tank cap is designed for various ATV models. It's a durable replacement part to ensure your ATV runs smoothly. It fits most 50 cubic centimeters to 125 cubic centimeters ATVs, including popular brands. This cap is compatible with many Chinese-made ATVs, making it a versatile choice. Made from high-strength metal, this fuel tank cap offers excellent sealing. Its robust build ensures it's resistant to wear and tear, providing long-lasting performance. The package includes everything you need for a quick and easy installation. It comes with the gas tank, cap, fuel filter, fuel line, clips, and fuel pump petcock. Before purchasing, please verify the size and fitment. This will help ensure the cap is the correct part for your ATV. What we like. This gas tank cap is made of high-strength metal, offering excellent sealing and durability. It comes with all the necessary accessories, making installation easier. If you are looking for a more robust and complete fuel tank solution, you should consider this one. What people say. The ATV is equipped with a powerful engine. The ATV has a comfortable seat. The ATV has a durable frame. Number 2. Best Choice 6V Kids ATV, Black. This ride-on is designed for children aged 1.5 to 3 years old. It can support up to 44 pounds and reaches a safe speed of 1.8 miles per hour. The ATV is built tough with realistic features. It's designed to spark your child's imagination and sense of adventure. It comes with a long-lasting 6V battery that provides 1 to 2 hours of playtime per charge. Simply remove the battery and recharge it with the included charger. The ATV features large, treaded wheels with 4-wheel suspension. This allows it to handle various terrains like grass, dirt, driveways, and sidewalks. It has an easy one-button system with comfortable rubber handles. Your child can control it with a single push, making it easy to stop and go. What we like. This ride-on ATV is perfectly sized and designed for young children. It features a safe speed and can handle various terrains, providing a realistic experience. If you have a young child who loves adventure and you want a safe and fun ride-on toy, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The ATV started right up and ran great. The ATV is a great value for the money. The ATV is easy to assemble. Number 1. MotoTec Bull 125 cubic centimeters 4-stroke Kids ATV Blue. Get ready for outdoor fun with this ATV. It's designed for kids and powered by a reliable 125 cubic centimeters 4-stroke engine. This ATV is ready for adventure. This ATV features a robust 125 cubic centimeters 4-stroke, single-cylinder, air-cooled engine. It provides plenty of power for exciting rides while being easy to maintain. This ATV is specifically designed with young riders in mind. It offers a safe and enjoyable experience for kids to explore the outdoors. This ATV is made in Vienna. It is built with quality and durability in mind, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of off-road fun. This ATV is a MotoTec product, known for its quality and performance. It's a great choice for kids who love to ride. What we like. This ATV features a powerful 125 cubic centimeters 4-stroke engine, ensuring a great performance. The air-cooled design helps to maintain optimal engine temperature. If you are looking for a reliable ATV for kids, this one is a great choice. What people say. It is a strong running machine, with lots of power. It's the perfect size for my kids to ride. I love that it has a speed limiter until they are more comfortable driving it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.